Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robo Thoughts lesson number 32, Zero to Hero series, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, so in this lesson I am going to show you what is looping through strings. Looping through strings. You are going to learn a lot about several different types of loops in Python in upcoming videos, upcoming lessons. But today in this lesson I'm going to just show you a very simple example how to loop using a string. Since strings are arrays which you saw in the previous video, right, we can loop through the characters in a string, each character in a string with a loop called for loop. Okay, I'm going to show you with an example now. Let me go to my Jetson Nano. Alright, I am here logged into my Jetson Nano using terminal. I hope you guys are logged in. Let's create a new file. Nano, what do we name it as? Since we are going to talk about looping a string. Okay, loop string. Loop string. Loop string.py. Alright, I am into my IDE. Now let me show you an example how it works. So using a for loop, guys, I'm going to teach you about for loop, while loop, do while loop, all those different kinds of loops in the upcoming videos. But this is just an example for you to for me to show you how the looping works in a string. Okay, so let me say for x in say, what do we name? Avengers, and then whenever we start a for loop, we need to end that with a colon. All right, now let's say indentation, print x. Now let me save this, Control O, enter, Control X. Let me execute this Python file. Python3 loop string.py. Avengers. Did you see that? Instead of showing just an Avengers, it's just looping Avengers. That's the classic example, guys. So I hope you understand what a looping through strings is. Do practice this again, and in the upcoming videos I'm going to show more and more and more and more. There are a lot more to learn, guys, and these are all very simple examples. Trust me, in next couple of months you are going to make this kind of robots, very complex robots using Jetson Nano. And also you are going to do your own program. You are going to connect to multiple sensors, and you are going to build your AI applications and deploy into these robots and make it to work. Wow, imagine. But of course it's a long journey, right? You are still in a very basic stuff. Alright guys, have fun, and do leave a comment and subscribe and give a like. Bye bye.